Sorry guys, my voice. Hi guys, we're gonna make glitter slime with Elmer's glitter glue. Okay, let's get started. You need your activator, but my activator na. I glue. So, we'll put that in. That's enough for me. I want to mix into this. So mix it in. Wait guys, I just put my glue in my container. Sorry guys, my friends. Getting glue. I will get some more activator. I don't have more activator. No, I have my hands. If you have more activator, okay, I'm doing stuff and I will my activator. I have activator in my hands. Yeah. It's kind of funny. So I'll put in my slime kit. So it's okay. So sticky. This is my a little bit slime because I don't have activator. So I just I have activator in my hand. So I just get glue a little bit because I have a little bit in my hands. So yeah, the product. So little. I will get more clean my. So this is my glue. Just close my slime. If you have more activator, you can mix slime. But I don't have more activator. My activator is all out. So sticky. If your slime is forming and it no more sticks to the bowl, you can knead it. And until it's not sticky, you can play with it. It's done. If you overactivate it, it's hard slime. If the slime is not sticking to the bowl, you can play with it. But if you can mix it, but don't put more activator in, cause maybe it will ruin your slime and maybe it becomes too hard slime. This is my little slime. It's turning to yellow. It's no more green. It's like yellow. Look. Yellow. Yellowish green. It's like yellowish green. Yellowish green. I can't pronounce it. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. There's no more sticky. Okay. I love you guys. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. I cannot pronounce it again. Notification button. And like and comment, guys. Please, guys. I love you guys. I will do more videos. Okay, well, bye, guys. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.